Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm back with another tutorial of SolidWorks. In this video I'll be showing how to make holes on curved surfaces. So first I'll just click on new. I'll just open a new document here and here we will select part anyway. Here is a new work plane. I'll just go to sketch here and I'll select front plane. So once I select front plane it becomes normal to the surface. I'll just select this circle and I'll draw a circle of some random radius and I'll just accept that, and now I'll just click on extruded boss. I'm just increasing the depth here and click on accept. Now see, if you want to make some hole on this surface, then it is very easy guys. You just have to go to the extruded cut. But what about this surface? It's a bit tricky, I would say. I mean, for the beginners it's a bit tricky, but we have this hole wizard here which we can use for making any hole. For example, we have this curved surface, and if you just go with this hole, you can't make a hole directly. For that purpose you have to follow a procedure. Earlier I used this custom sizing menu, but you don't need it right now. So what I'll do is I'll just go with this 12mm dia. Yeah, before that let me do this thing. I'll just go to this shell and I'll select this face and we can click on this show preview. Once you do that, now it's a kind of, earlier it was cylinder, now it is like something like a container or a glass, I would say. Not exactly glass, but yeah. Now if I want to make a hole here, what I can do is I can go to this hole wizard. But if you directly, nothing would happen if you place the cursor on this. For that purpose you have to follow a standard procedure. As we have selected 12mm dia as the standard hole size here, and here the end condition is through all. What I want to do is I just want to make a hole on this surface, only on this surface, not on the other surface over here. So I'll just select blind here, and here it is somewhat like 3mm, that is fine. See, if I place this cursor, no, only the body of the glass is getting highlighted, but we don't need that thing because you can do nothing with that. You need a hole. So for that purpose go to 3D sketch. Once you go to that 3D sketch, you can always have a hole on any point. For example, if you want a hole on that side, you can just place the cursor over there, or if you want it over this side, you can place the cursor here. That's it. And if you want to make another hole, you can very well do that, and then press escape and then accept this. Now we have two holes here, see. So guys, this way you can make holes in this, and if you want a hole from this end to this end, what you can do is in the same hole wizard, after in this, where is that, yeah, here, in this, in end condition, instead of selecting that blind, just go to through all and your work would be done. So this is one way of providing holes to a curved surface using hole wizard. That's it for today guys. Stay tuned to the channel for more tutorials. Also I'm planning to upload CATIA tutorials in coming days. If you like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it helps you to stay connected with me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.